We've got the farmer herding some cows here. See them all moving in front of the trees? And there's 7 dogs. You can't really see the dogs with this. We've got a set of boxes. And look at the line of sheep. See all the sheep moving in a line? Can you see the farmer, Huey?
Yeah, he's actually in behind the cherry trees in front of the pines. He'll come out now.
Oh yeah, there he is on his quad. I don't know if you can see that. Sort of in the middle of the shot, moving towards the cows. Yeah. So the cows and the sheep are all getting moved somewhere. Oops, we've got a pole in the way there.
You could hear the dogs then, barking.
Yeah, just a couple of woof woofs. Yeah, so that's
One
a
of
bit
the
of...
cows is get stuffed.
Yeah, that one there, yeah.
And 3 of the dogs.
Oh, I can see the
chasing
dog.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, head down on the dog, on the cow.
Yeah, the cows sometimes butt them. But the dogs get the last laugh because they nip their ankles. It's one of the most common injuries to dairy cows, apparently, is nipped ankles from the dogs getting infected and that.
There's 8 dogs.
Shit, 8 dogs.
Yeah.
See, they're moving quite fast.
Yeah, well, they're trotting along, actually.
Yeah. There's a farmer still in behind the pines. Oh, no, there he is.
He's to the right of the power
Yeah.
pylon.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's a bit of bovine and ovine, I think ovine sheep, action on Saturday morning, the Saturday before Christmas, on the hills in Lower Hutt, New Zealand. Bye for now.